Possible spam, possible spam. Do I know a possible spam? Spam, spam. That last name sounds familiar. Whatever. Hello?
Hi, this is Billy Call.
Oh, I thought your name was Possible Spam. That's what it said on the phone.
No. It's Possible Spam.
Oh, it's a company? Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're doing a giveaway, and congratulations, you were randomly selected for $500.
$500?
Congratulations.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
The only thing is, we're gonna need a little information.
Yeah, my social security is 124281478.
Okay, that was easy.
Excuse me?
Oh, I said that was pleasing.
Oh, no. It's my pleasure. $500. Thank you so much. Wait, did you need any other information from me?
Yes, actually, I did need a couple more things.
Yeah, I mean, my bank account number is 128-845-2728. And my routing number is 248-778-5876.
Well, amazing. I think we have everything we need.
Wait, hold on. If they give you trouble, just pretend like you're me. It's okay. My birthday is August 23rd, 1993. And my PIN is 2528. I mean, just in case you have to do like the security measures and stuff, you know? I mean, who uses that anyway? Also, if they ask you a security question, it is, what is your first pet's name? Okay? And it's Patty.
I think we got everything we need. I don't think we need anything else from you. We'll be sending you your money shortly.
Sir? Is there anything else you need?
Anything?
Anything.
I don't know. It's dangerous.
Dangerous? There's nothing dangerous enough for me.
There is this one thing.
I'll do it. Just name it. I'll do it. Please.
You don't happen to live by a bank, do you?
Yeah, my local bank is literally across the street.
Well, you don't have a duffel bag, do you?
Yes. I got the bag.
Do you happen to have a ski mask?
Got it.
I need you to get the duffel bag,
Okay.
the ski mask, and make your way over to the local bank.
Okay.
And I need you to fetch $5 million from this bank. Hello? Hello?
Okay, nobody move! Put $5 million in the bag right
He's
now!
doing it.
I got it!
Good. Okay, if you want the $500, this is what you need to do.
Okay.
You're gonna go to Esplanade Street.
Esplanade Street.
You're gonna
I'm
take
here.
a right.
Okay.
There's a trash can on your left.
Trash can. Oh, I see it.
There's an alley by the trash can.
Alley.
And then on your right,
Okay.
there will be a garage.
I see it. I see the garage.
Yeah. Open the garage.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a guy at a desk.
Okay.
Go up behind him.
Okay.
And drop the bag. Close your eyes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I closed my
Put
eyes.
your hands out. He's gonna
Okay.
hand you $100. You'll receive the other $400 in 3 to 5 business days. Turn around. Walk out the garage. Now I want you to run. We should do that again.
Hello?
Monsieur, you have been randomly selected to win $500.
Oh, wow. $1,000 in one day? Yeah.
Of course, monsieur. Congratulations.